In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a subtask into a task in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into it. Asana is a fantastic tool for project management, and sometimes you might find that a subtask you initially created deserves to stand on its own as a task. This is a simple process that can help you stay organized and ensure your projects are structured the way you want them. First, go ahead and open Asana. Once you're in, you need to navigate to the main task that contains the subtask you want to convert. You can do this by finding the task in your project list or using the search feature. Once you've located the primary task, click on it. This will open up the details panel on the right side of your screen, and you'll be able to see much more information about that task. Now it's time to locate the subtasks section. As you scroll down in the details panel, keep an eye out for the list of subtasks that are grouped under that main task. They usually appear underneath the main task description and give you an overview of what's been broken down into smaller components. Next, you're going to prepare to drag the subtask. Move your mouse over the specific subtask you wish to convert. Pay attention because when you hover over it, you'll see your cursor change to a hand icon on the left side of the subtask name. This hand icon is a visual cue that tells you you're ready to make a move. Now comes the fun part, dragging the subtask. Click and hold on that subtask, then start dragging it out of the subtask section. Be sure to guide it toward the main task list in the center pane of your project. This action is essentially freeing the subtask from its previous confinement, allowing it to have its own space. Finally, once you've dragged the subtask to where you'd like it to be in the main task list, you can now let go. Just release the mouse button and voila! You've successfully turned your subtask into a standalone task. Congratulations! It should now appear independently in your task list, ready for any further updates, assignments, or deadlines you wish to set. So there you have it, a quick and efficient way to manage your tasks in Asana. This functionality is especially useful when a subtask evolves and requires more attention or resources than what was originally planned. If you ever find yourself needing to reorganize, remember this method. It's all about flexibility and adapting your project flows to fit your needs. Keep exploring Asana, and you'll soon discover even more ways to enhance your productivity. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.